I guess we are live now. Is the audio and video clear? Mm, Let me wait for you to join. Let me wait for you to join. Okay. So, people join in quickly. We are going to have an amazing session today. Come on, come on. Join in quickly. Yes. Hi, Joe. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Unacademy Live CBSE Class 9 and 10. How are you all doing? Shravani, good morning. Yes, welcome everyone. How are you all doing, beta? Come on, come on. So, hello, Subhashmita. Hello, Subhashmita, wonderful name. Good morning, Rajanil. Yes. So, good morning, Akansha. All clear, audio and video? Right, Joe. Chalo. So today we are going to discuss probability in one shot. Okay. So the first 15 to 20 minutes, I'll discuss all the terminologies of probability. So it will give you an amazing notes. Okay. Entire chapter I'll give you in 15 to 20 minutes. Take down the notes and then we'll move on to sample problems. Okay. I'm good, Shishmita. How are you, beta? Hello, Saif. Right. So hope. Good morning, Navya. Good morning. Good evening, Saif. Saif has evening now. Okay, so let's have an amazing session, beta. Okay, and this session is going to be helpful for you. Come on, come on. I'm good. Right. So let's start. Good morning, Omkar. Yes. So let's start the session. Okay. Right. And firstly, like the session right now. Come on. Hit the thumbs up button right now. Good morning, Saif. Hit the thumbs up button right now. And if you did not subscribe to the channel, do subscribe. Hi, Anushka. Chalo. Good morning, everyone. And hope you're all doing good. And now, come on, let's start this session. Let's crack it. So today we are going to learn probability. Okay, so probability in one shot. Right. Yes. So this is a basic about me. Okay, small introduction about me. So I am Divya for all the new students. Yes, so I have done my training in education, bachelor in education with mathematics as my methodology, and I have qualified central teacher eligibility test both papers 1 and 2. And I have quite a lot of experience in mentoring students. And this is my Telegram channel. Beta, do join the Telegram channel. You will get all the updates of my classes, okay, both in YouTube, in Unacademy app, in Special and Plus. Okay, there is no quiz beta. This is probability in one shot. Okay, so I'll be discussing the concepts of probability, then the model questions of probability, so that in within this 1 hour time you will finish off this chapter perfectly, right? Hey Priyanshu, welcome. पहचाना आपको कैसे भूल जाऊंगी. चलो. So, come on. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Just put on your thinking caps. Come aside, okay? Sit separately and come on. Let's start studying now. Is it Sangeeta? Chalo, koi baat nahi. Even if you're in class 9, you'll crack this session. Right. So, probability in one shot. Firstly, I'll explain you the concepts, okay? There are small terminology which you have to understand. So, I'll explain you that. In your class 9, you have learned about experimental probability. Do you remember? Experimental probability. Yes. So, what is experimental probability? I'll give you one chota asa example. You'll remember it fatse. Okay. So, experimental probability. Good morning, Khushi. No, Shreya. I did not see your chat. Yes, let's crack the session, Shreya. Okay. So always there will be a gap in live session, some 20 seconds gap you will have. So yes, yes. Come on. Okay, so experimental probability is nothing but simple example. Suppose you take a coin, okay, it will have a head and a tail. If you toss the coin, what happens? If you toss the coin, okay, and if you're not interfering, you're tossing the coin, you're happy now? I'm happy too. Very good. So when you toss the coin, you will either end up getting a head or a tail. Okay, a head or a tail. Okay, so in this way, suppose you toss the coin 100 times. That means actually you're doing an experiment. Okay, you're tossing the coin 100 times and you're finding out how many heads do you get. Okay, so number of heads, say I'm getting, say 53 heads I'm getting. Suppose I'm tossing the coin for 100 times, so I'm getting the heads 53 times. Okay, what is that size? Okay, let's talk about it later. Okay, so come on, so let's start this. So tossing the coin 100 times, I'm getting 53 times head. Okay, so what is the probability of head? So I'm getting 53 times head out of 100 times. Are you getting my point? Simple. Suppose out of 20 marks, you get 18 marks. So how does your teacher write? She writes it in this way, isn't it? She writes it in this way. 18 out of 20. Isn't it? The same. Yes, yes, Shreya. Very good, very good. Okay, so this way we write. Okay, total number of marks obtained divided by the original number of marks. Okay, total marks. Here also total number of heads you are getting divided by the number of times you are tossing the coin. Okay, so now suppose I am doing the same experiment. Say I am tossing the coins for 1000 times. Okay, I am tossing the coins for 1000 times and I am getting, say 497 times I am getting head. Okay, so this divided by how many times did I toss the coin? 1000 times. Okay, so this gives the probability of head. Okay, probability of head you denote it by this way, isn't it? So here also it is probability of head. So here you can see, depending on the experiment, the probability of getting the same head, okay, head, it is differing. Isn't it better? Can you see there is a difference? Okay, it depends on the experiment you are carrying out. Okay, so this is nothing but experimental probability which you have learned in your class 9. So depending on the experiment you carry out, the probability is changing. Okay, and experimental probability is nothing but you perform the actual experiment, you actually toss the coin and see how many times you're getting head, how many times you're getting tail, and so on. Okay, so this is about experimental probability. Now the same thing if I have to talk about, yes, I'll definitely give you questions to solve, Subhashmita. Okay, small concept, some 15-20 minutes we shall revise the concept and then Jetsa will get into the questions, right? So come on. So yeah, I was saying about theoretical probability. So what is theoretical probability? Now suppose when I toss a coin, I know that, okay, I know that the possible number of outcomes are 2. What are the outcomes? Better tell me quickly. There are 2 possible outcomes. Okay, see my wordings. I am differentiating between the wordings. Okay, in experimental probability, I told you I have tossed the coin 100 times. Out of that, 53 times I got head. Now I am saying, now I did not toss the coin. I did not toss the coin, but I see that the possible number of outcomes. So one, I may get a head. The second thing, I may get a tail. Are you getting my point? Yes. So this is called theoretical probability. Okay, you're not actually doing the experiment, but you know that these are the possible outcomes which you can get. Yes, good morning, Rakhi. Got my point, beta? Yes? Yes? If yes, just give a thumbs up and let me see how many of you understood this. So that's the difference between theoretical and experimental. Come on, quickly give a good thumbs up and let me see how many of you understood it. Chalo. Superb, superb. Good morning, Malesh. So, okay. So, the formula for both of it is, for the experimental probability, the formula is nothing but number of trials. Okay. Just take down this number of trials in which the event happened. Now, what is the meaning of event here? One more terminology. What is the meaning of event? Event is nothing but the outcome which you are getting. Okay. Now suppose I am getting head as the outcome. Okay. So head is called a event. If I get tail as the outcome, tail is called the event. Okay. The outcome which you are getting is called the event. Hi Ashok. Yes, exactly. The outcome which you get is called the event. Right? And divided by this entire thing divided by, there is nothing to learn in this. Okay, I'll tell you how to remember, so you don't have to remember this entire thing. Total number of trials. Okay, this is nothing but the experimental probability. Just now I gave you example. Out of the trials, how many times I'm doing the trials, tossing the coin? 100 times. Okay, that will be the total number of trials. Out of that, how many times did I get the event? Event is nothing but I wanted head. Isn't it? The outcome I want is head. So that is the event. So I got 53 times. Okay. Yes. समझ नहीं आ रहा गौरव? You joined late beta. Okay. So I gave the example first itself. So I told you, if you're tossing the coin 100 times, that is the experiment you're doing. Okay. Out of the 100 times you're tossing the coin, out of 100, 53 times I got head. Okay, I wanted head, so I'm counting how many times I'm getting head. So that whatever outcome I am expecting, that is nothing but the event. Okay, you call it as event. Outcome is nothing but event. Okay, so now how many times did I get head? I got 53 times. Okay, by total number of times, how many times did I toss? 100 times I toss the coin. Okay, so this is nothing but experimental probability. Okay, got my point better now? Yes. Hello, Harshita. Yes, yes. Okay. So now I'm saying, what about theoretical probability? Let us discuss about theoretical probability. Okay. So I gave you the difference between experiment and theory also, isn't it? So you're not actually performing the experiment. Here I told you 100 times I toss the coin. Okay. 100 times मैंने coin को toss कर लिया. लेकिन यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट डूइंग दैट, आई एम नॉट टॉसिंग एनी कॉइन, आई एम जस्ट assuming, आई एम जस्ट गेसिंग व्हाट माइट हैपन. ओके, इतना तो गेस कर सकते हैं, है ना? है ना? नो क्विज बेटा, जस्ट नाउ बिफोर 10 minutes. ओके, चलो. हाँ बहादुर, पूछ सकते हो, पूछ लो. सो वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड. ओके, सो हियर द नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. So the formula, just make a note beta, as you told, these will be helpful for you. The number of outcomes favorable. Okay, or you can say the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number. Okay, you can say total number of possible outcomes. Okay, I'll explain you this, not to worry. Is it Amit? Okay. Yes. So here the same coin example, if you take the number of outcomes favorable. Favorable is nothing but which I want. Okay, I want head. So how many outcomes can I get head? I can get only one outcome is head, isn't it? आपका coin में एक तरफ head होगी और दूसरे तरफ tail होगी. तो how many times can I get head if I toss the coin one time? So there is only one favorable outcome out of the both, isn't it? Head. मुझे head चाहिए तो head एक ही बार है. Okay. Yes, Amit, I got your name. It's Amit. Okay. Chalo. Yes, chalo. One head and one tail, and out of these two, I want only head. So how many favorable outcomes are there? One. Okay. Divided by total number of possible outcomes. यहाँ पे कितने possible outcomes है बेटा? Head और tail. दो possible outcomes है ना? So this is 2. Okay, this is how we calculate the probability. This is experimental probability and this is theoretical probability. Experimental में I am actually doing the experiment. Okay, theoretical में I am guessing it. Clear till here? Yes, everyone. Chalo. So let me move on to the next one. Okay. So now one more concept is mutually exclusive event. What is the meaning of mutually exclusive? So exclusive means two different events. Okay, mutually exclusive. Now suppose the same coin example if I take. Now if I toss the coin, so I will get either head or either tail. Okay. Yes, Amit, you can definitely ask the doubt beta. Probability decimals लिख लो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. आंसर डेसिमल में लिखना चाहते हो लिख लो. Yes. Okay, so 1 by 2, you want to write it as 0.5, please write it, not a problem. Okay, so 0.5 chances for head and 0.5 chances for tail. I'll tell you now. Next, the sum of the probabilities will be 1. Okay, I'll tell you that. Just give me 1 second. Yes, so I told you what is mutually exclusive. Oh my god, 1 second, 1 second. Yes, now what is mutually exclusive, beta? So the same coin experiment if you take, suppose, so when I get head, is there any chance for me to get tail also? Is there any chance for me to get tail also? अमित बेटा, one thing I just want to clear you. आप जब चैट लिखते हो, मुझे 20-30 सेकेंड्स गैप होगी आपका रिप्लाई देने में, क्योंकि लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग में देयर इज ऑलवेज अ गैप. ओके, so whatever I'm saying now, there will be 20-30 seconds gap for me to see your chat. Okay, for you to see my video. Okay, I am faster than the chat. Okay, is this okay now? So please, whenever you are chatting, so आपका जो भी मैं पहला बता दी हूँ वो वीडियो आपको अभी चल रहा होगा, आपके चैट में देख रही हूँ, और I'll give you a reply. Clear? So don't worry, I'll reply to you. Please wait. That's it. Yes. At most means maximum, beta. Keshavi, at most means maximum. Okay. So mutually exclusive is nothing but, now if I get head, there is no possibility of getting tail. है ना? अगर हेड है तो टेल का पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट. आई टोल्ड यू इवेंट इज नथिंग बट आउटकम. ऐसे लिख लो बेटा, इवेंट इज नथिंग बट आउटकम. ओके, yes, so when I have head, when one event is happening, there is no possibility of the other event to happen. Okay, so that is called mutually exclusive. Clear beta? Yes, chalo, right. Yes, Shreya, very good. So at most means maximum. Okay, chalo. So next one. So elementary events. So next definition which you have to know is elementary event. Now what is elementary event? Elementary event is nothing but the possibility of that happening is only once. Okay, how many heads are there? How many heads do you find in one coin? Only one head. Yes, only one head. How many tails do you find in one coin? Only one tail. Suppose if you take a die, die मालूम है ना आपको? It is like cube. It has 6 faces, है ना? तो एक एक फेस पे आपको नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 मिलेगा. तो आपका नंबर 1 आने का पॉसिबिलिटी कितना है? एक ही नंबर है ना. So it's not that you have one on this side and again one on this side. Yes, are you getting my point here? Yes, so you will have different numbers. Okay, so the possibility of getting that particular event is only one time you can get. Okay, so such events are called elementary events, beta. Got my point? Yes. Hi Ekta. Okay, so I will give you one example for not an elementary event. Okay, suppose if I have a bag, okay, wherein I have different color balls, I'll take. Okay, suppose these are blue color balls. Okay, and yes, this is one color. This is light blue, dark blue. Now what is the possibility of getting the dark blue ball? Batao jaldi se. So yes, tell me what is the possibility of getting dark blue ball? It is only one time I get the dark blue ball, because there is only one outcome which can happen. Yes, so this is elementary event, right? Very good, Manya. Now I have 2 balls here, 2 light blue balls here. What is the possibility here? Is this an elementary event? पहले वो बताओ, is this an elementary event? No, because यहाँ पे आपको 2 outcomes है ना? You have 2 balls. Okay, now the possibility is 2 upon 3. Okay, total number of events, favorable events divided by the total number of possible events. 3 balls है तो 3 possible events है. Okay, out of the 3 you want only these 2. Okay, so 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is the difference between elementary event. This dark blue wala is elementary event and this is not an elementary event. Clear with this? I hope this is clear. Hi Mansi. Chalo. The next one is sum of probabilities, beta. Already you are telling me this. So sum of probabilities is always 1. Okay, sum of probabilities is always 1. Ha, Shreya, correct. Right? So sum of probabilities is always 1. Okay, so probability of head plus probability of tail, if you take, what is the sum of the probabilities of both the events? It is 1. Yes, Shreya, correct, correct. Okay, this example you understood for elementary events. Okay, so now the next point is sum of probabilities is always 1. Head ka probability 1 upon 2, tail ka probability 1 upon 2, so half plus half is 1. Okay, simple. सेम डाइस वाला एग्जांपल भी ले सकते हो आप, कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लो, सम ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटीज विल बी 1. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट वन इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट? ओके, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मींस ऑपोजिट, है ना, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मींस ऑपोजिट. ओके, सिंपल मीनिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू. Class started 20 minutes before, Navya. So complementary means opposite. Okay, suppose if I am getting head, so tail is the complementary event. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, I want head, so the event which is not head is called complementary to head. Okay, suppose if I want number 1 on the die. Okay, if I want number 1 on the die. Okay, all the numbers other than 1 are called complementary. Okay, clear? Girl, complementary is boy. Okay, so opposite. Okay, now the complementary events, how will you get? So the formula for this is, now suppose if here you take, so I told you head is a complementary of not head. Not head matlab kya hai? It is simple, it is tail. Okay, head is a complement, head event ke liye not head is complementary. Not head is nothing but it is simple tail, है ना, वर्डिंग समझ लो. ओके, सो हेड का प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 है, तो टेल का प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है? हाउ कैन आई गेट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ टेल? Probability of head plus probability of tail, I told you it is 1, isn't it? Now probability of tail, from here I can get it as 1 minus probability of head, isn't it beta? Yes, right. So the probability of tail, I'll write it as not head. Okay, which means it is nothing but complementary. So not head is nothing but 1 minus probability of head. Okay, in simple, if I have to generalize this, I say probability of complementary event. Okay, we denote it by E bar. Okay, suppose if E is a event, E bar is a complementary event. The probability of this complementary event is nothing but 1 minus probability of the event. Okay, are you able to relate these two? Yes, am I clear? Perfect clear? Tell me. Chalo, tell me. Okay, okay. So the next important concepts are, yes. Okay, so thank you. So see, now I am getting your chats. Okay, so the next concept is, we'll talk about probability of impossible events. Okay, what is the probability of impossible events? Now suppose if you take the coin experiment, आपके coin में you'll have one head, one tail. So I will ask you, beta Amit bolo, probability of getting a number 8 on the coin is how much? What is the probability of getting number 8 on the coin? Yes, chalo batao. What is the probability of getting number 8 on the coin? It is 0, क्योंकि आपके coin पे 8 का number नहीं है. Okay, very good. Okay, so suppose you are rolling a die. Die has how many numbers? 6 numbers. Now if I ask you what is the probability of getting number 10 on the die, what is the probability? Again it is 0. समझ में आ गया? तो जो इवेंट ही नहीं है उसमें, जो आउटकम आपको नहीं मिलेगा, उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है. Okay, so probability of impossible events is 0. Okay, now the next thing you have to remember is sure event. Okay, so sure event, or you can also call it as certain event. Okay, so probability of a sure or a certain event is always 1. Okay, probability of a sure or a certain event is always 1. Okay, जैसे कि these two are opposite now. Okay, I told you, now suppose what is the probability of getting a head? Okay, there is definitely a probability. This is a sure event, you will definitely get a head. Okay, so then you will say the probability is 1. Okay, so now आप अगर समझे हो तो probability ए दोनों के बीच में है. Okay, the probability always lies between these two, 0 and 1. Okay, so probability of any event is always between 1 and 0. Clear beta? So the same thing I'm writing it is in this way. So probability of any event is always between 0 and 1. Okay, it is either 0 if it is an impossible event, and it will be greater than 0 for examples like head, for example like die. Okay, these will be greater than 0, but it is always less than 1. Okay beta, clear now? Yes, perfect, perfect. Now the one last concept in this chapter is deck of cards. Okay, deck of cards. So with this we'll complete all the concepts beta of this chapter. Okay, deck of cards. Cards game आप सबको पता है ना? So total there will be 52 cards in this deck of cards. Yes, total number of cards are 52. Now out of these 52 cards are divided into 4. Okay beta, they are divided into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this flowchart will help you to remember exam के time पे just एक बार ऐसे देख के जा सकते हो. Okay, so yeah, make a note of this. Yes, so 52 cards है आपके पास. Okay, these 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. Clear? 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. Now each suit में 4 divisions basically. Each division में आपको 13 cards मिलेंगे. Okay, 13 fours are how much? 52. Got it? So यहाँ पे 13 cards, यहाँ पे 13 cards, यहाँ पे 13 cards. Okay, please make a note of this. It will be helpful for you, right? Because here most of the students do mistake in cards. हाँ, very good Shishmita, very good. So ये 13 cards में आपको क्या क्या मिलेंगे? First ये वाला 13 set of cards you call it as black spade. Okay, let me write it. This is called black spade. This is called red heart. Okay, this is called red diamonds. And the last one is called black clubs. Okay beta? Yes, these are the names of the 13 different cards. Four different groups है शायद आपके class में groups होंगे ना, तो this is like groups. Okay, first group is black spade, second group is red heart, third group is red diamonds, and this is black clubs. And each group में कितना cards है? 13 cards you'll have, and overall you'll have 52 cards. Okay, right. So now in this black spade again एक group में leaders चाहिए हमको, है ना? तो again in this group you have ace, you have a ace card, you have a king, you have a queen, you have a jack. Okay, similarly इस पे भी same मिलेगा आपको. So king, queen, jack. Okay, here also it is ace, king, queen, jack. Here also it is ace, king, queen, jack. Clear beta? Yes, Bahadur, you can. Sorry, Amit, you can. So now these king, queen and jack are also called face cards. Okay beta, हर group में these are also called face cards. इतना याद कर लो, फिर the problems will be easy. Okay, so one definite question mostly you will get, most repeated questions you will get on deck of cards. Okay, एक die का question हो गया, एक coin का, और एक deck of cards का question होगी. Okay, so these are the different model questions. Okay, yes Manya, correct. So out of 52 cards there are 4 groups, each group has 13 cards. Okay, out of those 13 you have the names of black spade, red heart, red diamonds, black clubs. Okay, now in black spades again एक group में again leaders चाहिए, तो ace, king, queen, jack are the leaders. Okay, and king, queen, jack are also called face cards. Okay, now इसके अलावा I told you there are 13 cards, isn't it? So you have only 4 here. So what are the other cards? They are number cards. They are number cards beta. So you have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, देख लो total how many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In this way here also you'll have number cards, here also number cards. Clear? Yes. So this is clear, perfect, fine. Yes. No, not 1 to 10 Shruti, 2 to 10. Okay, 2 to 10. Chalo. If this is clear, let me move on to the next one now. So now we shall discuss questions. Okay. So one card is drawn from a well shuffled well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be ace. Okay, what is the probability that the card is ace? I told you probability of any event क्या है? It is nothing but number of possible outcomes. Okay, how many possible, sorry, number of favorable outcomes बेटा. Possible मतलब जो भी आ सकती है, लेकिन favorable मतलब जो आपको चाहिए. Okay, yes. So number of favorable outcomes, okay, the outcomes which we want divided by number of possible outcomes or the total number of outcomes, you can say. Make it as simple as possible. Okay, total number of outcomes. Clear beta? Yes, very good, very good. So यहाँ पे you want ace cards. What is the total number of outcomes? Total number of cards कितना है? Total number of cards, how many you have? You have 12. Okay, out of 12, the possible outcomes are nothing but, the favorable outcomes are nothing but, I want ace card, isn't it? Yes, let me select a color. Yes, I want ace card. How many ace cards are there? See, यहाँ पे आपको एक ace card है, 2, 3, 4. How many ace cards are there? 4 ace cards. हाँ, एक in one suit it is 1/13. Okay, in one suit you have 13 cards. Okay, and to get ace card it is the probability is 1/13. लेकिन अगर total deck of cards में ace cards कितना है? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have total 4 ace cards. Okay, so total number of favorable outcomes are 4 divided by total number of possible outcomes. Total cards कितना है? 52. Okay, so it is 1/13. Is it? Is it? Right, right, correct. Now the second, this is the first one. See the second one. You want the probability of not an ace. So इसके लिए you can use two methods. I told you complementary events. This is ace, this is not an ace. Not an ace के लिए आपको कैसे मिलेगा? It is 1 minus probability of ace card. Okay, probability of not an ace. Complementary event है ना? Okay, so it is 1 minus, it is 1/13. So you will get it as 13 minus 1, it is 12/13. Okay, you can do it either this way or there is another method beta, I'll tell you. Now, you don't want an ace. Okay, there are total, how many cards are there? Total 52 cards are there, out of which ace cards are 4. Okay, so what are the other cards? Other cards कितना है? बताओ, other cards कितना है? It is nothing but this 52 minus 4. If you do, you'll get the number of other cards, which is 48. Okay, so probability of not an ace you want. Okay, so it is nothing but the total number of favorable cards. Favorable cards ये है ना? So you don't want an ace. So these are your favorable cards. 48 divided by total number of cards are 52. Okay, in this way you can get or in this way you can get. Not a problem. Right? Yes, yes, yes. Correct, correct, correct. Going good. Amazing. Yes, Shravya is also here. Very good. Superb. So next question. Very simple question you have here on your screen. Chalo. A coin is tossed once. Throw two sa question. Yes, answer from you. I'll not do this one. I want the answer from you. A coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a head? That's it. Very good, Subhashmita. Very good, Shruti, Shravya. Yes. How many times is a coin tossed? Only one time. Okay, either you may get head or you will get tail. Only one time it is tossed. So what is the probability of getting a head? How many times you'll get head? One time. Okay, probability is nothing but number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Favorable outcome is head is only one time and total outcomes are 1 and 2. Okay, either head or tail. So it is 1/2. Simple. Very good, very good, very good. You all understood it. Chalo. Next one. Next question. Okay, here I am increasing the number of coins. A game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin. How many times? 3 times. Okay, 1 rupee coin 3 times. And noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result. Okay, Hanif, oh bacha, when will he win? Yes, Shruti, very good, very good. Chalo. Hanif wins the coins only if all the outcomes are same. Okay, if he gets the same result, like he should get either 3 heads or 3 tails. Okay, 3 heads or 3 tails, then he will win. Okay, otherwise he will lose. Right? So calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Okay, calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. When will Hanif lose the game? Chalo. So firstly, write all the possible events which can happen, beta. All the possible events means outcomes. Tell me what are all the possible outcomes which can happen. Yes. So suppose, yes, suppose if in the first coin you get a head, okay, so first thing, all the 3 coins you may get all 3 heads, okay, you may get all 3 tails, okay, very good, very good. Or you may get 2 heads and 1 tail, or you may get head, tail, head, or you may get tail, head, okay, yes, yes, 3 upon 1, Gaurav, no, no beta, no. Probability बेटा एक बार ये देख लो 3 upon 1 means 3. Probability I told you it is always less than 1. It is between 0 and 1. Okay, 1 upon 3 you say. Okay, let's see. So HHT, okay, you get HTH, you get TTH, you can get TT H. Okay, what are the other possibilities? Let me know quickly. Amit, okay with the answer, beta. Tell the probabilities. What else you can get? You can get HHH, 3 heads, 3 tails, 2 heads. First coin head, second coin head, third coin tail. First coin head, second coin tail, third coin head. Okay, and you can get first coin head, second coin tail. Where is it? Yes. You can get tail head, tail head. Yes. Head tail tail. You can get. Yes. Yes. No. It is not same. Shreya, see, THH and HHT is never same. I'll explain you this. Most of you have these doubts, I'll tell you. So, यहाँ पे this order you have to remember. T मतलब first coin में tail, second coin head, third coin head. यहाँ पे this one means that first coin is head, second coin is head, third coin is tail. There is lot of difference. Okay, it is not same. Yes, Bahadur. Right. So how many are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is one more possibility. 3 heads. Okay, 2 head, 1 tail. And head, tail, head. Head, tail, head. So tail, head. Did I write it? Yes. So and head, tail, tail. I wrote it. Tail, head. So yes, there is one more tail, head, tail. Okay. Yes. So yes, it is another coin. So you will not take, this is different from this. Clear? Yes. So you got all the probabilities, beta. Is there any other probability that you can get here? No other probability. Yes. So what are the total number of probabilities you have here? Yes. 1 second. Let me take the marker. Yes. Tail, head, tail. I wrote it, beta. Why is it no? You typed it, Shubhashmita? Yes. Okay, beta. Chalo. So total number of possible outcomes, or you can say total number of outcomes, I am getting it as 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right. So the possible outcomes, no Bahadur, यहाँ पे question देख लो. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose. When will Hanif lose? Hanif will lose if he will not get 3 heads or 3 tails. Okay, he will win. He will win only when he will get all 3 heads or all 3 tails. Okay, ये दोनों possibilities side में रख लो. तो ये अगर out of these 6 any of the possibility he gets, he will fail. Okay, so we want probability of fail. Okay, it is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many outcomes are there? Favorable outcome 6 है. So 6 divided by 8. Okay, it is 3 by 4. Right, chalo. Very good, beta. Excellent, very good. Got this? Yes, let us move on to the next one. Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays? Same birthday. See here, in this session, I took all the model questions. I am covering all the model questions. इसके अलावा आपको कोई और questions नहीं आएगा. Okay? So, deck of cards, coins, ये birthdays वाला, and you'll have geometrical questions that also we'll do. Okay? And yes, die question. Okay? Chal. So, Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays? Both will have same birthday. आपका बर्थडे कितने बार आता है एक ईयर में? Yeah, you got first, Ravia. Very good, very good. In 1 year, how many times you'll get your birthday? Only once, isn't it? Only one day. Out of total 365 days. Here they gave you it is not a leap year. Okay. So it is not 366. So out of very good beta. Shravya, please refresh. So out of 365 days, how many days will you get your birthday? One day. है ना? So okay. So probability of getting birthday on different days. Okay. Suppose सविता का birthday आज है. Okay. सविता का birthday आज है. Okay. So what is Hamida's birthday? What is the probability of Hamida's birthday? No. No. See, listen to me. Savita's birthday अगर आज है. Okay. What is the probability of different birthdays? Probability of different birthdays I want. Okay, for this total number of outcomes are 365 क्योंकि 365 days में आपको birthday आएगा. Okay, 1 year में. Yes, yes. Okay. So then and okay, I want the favorable outcomes. So how will I get the favorable outcomes? Total number of outcomes are 365. Favorable outcomes कितना है बच्चा बोलो? कितना है favorable outcomes? So yes, you want different birthdays. That means सविता का बर्थडे आज है तो हमीदा का बर्थडे आज के अलावा कोई भी दिन हो सकता है. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yes? Yes? Okay? Yes. If Savita's birthday is today, Hamida's birthday can be any day other than today. Okay? So, कितने दिन का favorable outcome है? Out of 365 days, you remove this particular one day. Okay? So, 364 days में हमीदा का birthday कुछ भी कोई भी day हो सकता है, कोई problem नहीं. Okay? So, what is the probability of different birthdays? So, favorable outcomes are 364 divided by 365. This is the answer, beta. Got it now? Everyone? Yes. So let me do the second bit also. Here same birthday आने का chances कब है? Total number of days इसमें भी 365 ही है, इसमें भी 365 है. Yes. Very good, Shruti, Manya, Shreya. Very good. I'm not able to take all your names, but really you're doing well. Very good. You answered first. Amit. Okay. Chalo. Very good. Very good. So now same birthday चाहिए. अगर सविता का बर्थडे आज है तो हमीदा का बर्थडे भी आज ही होना चाहिए. Okay? If Savita's birthday is today, Hamida's birthday is also today, should be today if they have same birthdays. Okay? So favorable outcomes कितना है? Both are on the same day. Okay? Only one day. Very good, Amit. Very good, Shreya. So only one day. So favorable outcomes are 1. So probability of same birthday, let me write, favorable outcomes are 1 divided by total number of days, तो 365 ही रहेंगे. Okay, so in this way you can get. Otherwise, यहाँ पे देख लो, you can use the concept of complementary also. How? See, you want different birthday, same birthday. Different and same, opposite of each other. Right? So different birthday का probability 364 by 365 है. अभी same birthday मतलब जो different नहीं है ना? So it is nothing but a complementary. You also said Subhashmita, very good beta. That's what I said. I'm not able to see all your comments, but you people are doing amazing. Thank you so much. So same birthday का it is 1 minus different birthday का probability. है ना? So in this way also you'll get. So 1 minus 364 divided by 365. So it is 365 minus 364 by 365. So it is 1 by 365. So you can do any of the which ways. Okay? Chalo. So next question. A die is thrown once. What is the probability that it shows? 3. Okay? First bit you have to get 3. Second bit you have to get 5. Third you have to get an odd number. Okay, and fourth bit you have to get a prime number. Okay, and the last bit you have to get a number greater than 4. Okay, you have to get greater than 4. Let us do all these now. Chalo. Thank you, Shreya. Okay, so डाई में कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज है? टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज कितने हैं बेटा? आपको कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज होंगे डाइस में? एक डाई में 6. ओके 6 नंबर्स है, 6 स्पेसेस है डाई के, सो 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज है. ओके टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज आर 6. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. यू पीपल आर सो फास्ट गिव मी आंसर्स. ओके सो आई विल डू इट क्विकली. सो नंबर 3 ऊपर अपर सरफेस में नंबर 3 आने का पॉसिबिलिटी कितना है? 3 is only one time, isn't it? So favorable outcome is only 1. Okay, so probability of getting number 3 is 1 by total number of possibility is 6. Clear beta? Next वाला देख लो. So here also, yes, here also, here also the favorable outcome is how many? How many times can you get 5? Only one time, isn't it? So favorable outcomes are 1. Okay, so probability of getting number 3 is nothing but 1 by 6 time. Okay, total possibility is 6. यहाँ पे देख लो ऑड नंबर चाहिए. डाई में आपको नंबर्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 है ना? ये सारे नंबर्स है. हाँ, तो इसमें ऑड नंबर्स क्या है? देखो 1 3 5 आर द ऑड नंबर्स. 1 3 5 आर द ऑड नंबर्स. सो दीज आर द फेवरेबल आउटकम्स, है ना? हाउ मेनी फेवरेबल आउटकम्स है? 1 2 3. ओके सो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑड नंबर कितना है? फेवरेबल बाय टोटल इज 6. सो इट इज 1 by 2. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ऑल ऑफ यू आर अमेजिंग. तो चलो प्राइम नंबर चाहिए. प्राइम नंबर क्या क्या है इसमें? 1 3 5. ओनली 3 प्राइम नंबर्स है इसमें. 1 3 5. सो मतलब फेवरेबल आउटकम्स 3 है. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ प्राइम it is nothing but favorable by total, it is 1 by 2 again. चलो very good very good very good. yes fifth one देख लो. अमित चेक करो. okay yes 2 3 5 7 बेटा. I'm so sorry. primes are 2 3 5 7 isn't it? 2 3 5 है यहाँ पे, favorable 3 है. okay yes चलो sorry चलो. so greater than 4 चाहिए. greater than 4 what are the two numbers which are greater than 4? 5 and 6 are greater than 4. so यहाँ पे favorable outcomes 2 है. so आपका probability of greater than 4 is nothing but favorable by total, it is 1 by 3. clear with the question, right? yes very good. चलो next one. superb. right beta. amazing. so next one देख लो. so Harpreet tosses 2 different coins simultaneously. this one I want you to give the answer now, because we dealt with 3 coins wala question. now this is 2 coins wala question. so what is the probability that she gets at least one head? yes, so 2 coins hai. okay, so first coin head, second coin head. first coin tail, second coin tail. first coin you can get head, second coin tail. first coin head, first coin tail, second coin head. so how many possibilities are there? what is it, Shreya? 1 second. in second with P5. yes correct Shreya. so probability of number 5, right? clear. so Harpreet tosses 2 coins मतलब आपको 4 possibilities हैं. okay, so total possibilities are 4. okay, are there any other possibilities here? no possibility. you can get either 2 heads 2 tail. अगर 1 head तो 1 tail, 1 tail तो 1 head. okay, so 4 possibilities, 4 total possibilities, and you have to see what is that she get at least 1 head. at least 1 head मतलब minimum 1 head किस में है बताओ? मिनिमम 1 हेड आपको कहाँ मिल रहा है? यहाँ पे है मिनिमम 1 हेड है, यहाँ पे 1, यहाँ पे 1. ओके, तो मिनिमम 1 हेड. हाउ मेनी फेवरेबल आउटकम्स यू हैव? 3 you have. okay, so probability of at least 1 head, probability of at least 1 head is nothing but favorable is 3 by total is 4. matter close. very good, amazing. so now the next question. yes, 2 die, 1 blue and 1 grey. now 2 dice you are rolling are thrown at the same time. this is a different question beta. see, 2 dice you have thrown and you have thrown at the same time. one is blue and one is grey. write down all the possible outcomes. okay, firstly write down all the possible outcomes. dice पे आपको कितना numbers है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers you will have on one die. okay, similarly 6 numbers you will have on the other die also. okay, so 6 यहाँ पे और 6 दूसरे die पे भी होंगे. okay, 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what you have. Okay, yes, correct beta, Subhashmita. So first time, one probability you can get one on first day and one on the second day. Okay, you can get one on first day. आपको one on first day है तो two on second day. One on first day है तो 3 on second day. One on first day है तो 4 on second day. One on first day है तो 5. One on first day है तो 6 on second day. Okay, in this way you can get the possible outcomes. ओके यहाँ पे अगर 2 ऑन फर्स्ट डे है तो ओके यहाँ पे 1 आ सकता है और 2 है तो यहाँ पे 2. ओके सो इफ यू गेट 2 ऑन फर्स्ट डे यू कैन गेट 3 ऑन सेकेंड डे. ओके सो इन दिस वे यू जस्ट फिल इन द टेबल बेटा. ओके सो यहाँ पे अगर 3 है तो 1 आएगा. ओके सिमिलरली 4 on first day and 1. Okay, I'm simple taking all the combinations beta. I'm taking all the combinations. Yes, Amit, I'm not doing it. So in this way, you'll get all the combinations. So just see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 rows and 6 columns you have. So total number of possibilities, how many are you getting? Total possibility is 6 by 6. So it is 36. Yes, you want to tell the answer? Yes, Amit, please say. Yes, Gaurav, beta. Okay, you are giving me the answer. Right. So the first answer will be no, beta. I'll tell you. Just see the first answer. I have to get what is the probability of the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers appearing on the top of the die is 8. ओके मतलब यहाँ पे 1 1 है आपको टॉप सरफेस में 1 और 1 मिला. ओके सो व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ दिस? इट इज 2. यहाँ पे सम देख लो 1 और 2. व्हाट इज द सम? 3 है ना. तो यस तो इन दिस वे यू विल फाइंड आउट फॉर विच टू नंबर्स द सम इज 8. फॉर विच टू नंबर्स द सम इज 8 बताओ. यस सुभाष्मिता इज राइट. श्राव्या इज राइट. Now for which two numbers is the sum 8? यहाँ पे if you take I'll just write and show you. Yes. Now just see for these two numbers. Okay, I'll change the color. Okay. यहाँ पे 1 ये देखो 2 and 6 will give you 8 है ना. 2 plus 6 will give you 8. Very good Amit. Very good Shravya, Shreya. Very good. 2 and 6 will give you 8. Now 5 and 3 will give you 8. है ना. Similarly 4 and 4 will give you 8. Okay. And here you will get 5 and 3 will give you 8. Okay. And 6 and 2 can give you 8. Okay. Just fill in all the other columns beta. So how many total favorable outcomes? How many I am getting for the first bit? Favorable outcomes are how many? Yes, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Yeah, Ansh. Hi, Ansh. So, favorable outcomes are 5. So, probability of getting a sum as 8 is favorable by total. Okay, 5 upon 36. ये वाला हो गया. Second one. What is the probability of getting the sum of the two numbers as 13? Die में maximum आपको क्या है? मैक्सिमम नंबर आपको एक डाई में 6 है ना. दूसरा डाई में 6 है तो मैक्सिमम सम हाउ मच कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट? मैक्सिमम सम हाउ मच कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट? 6 and 6 maximum sum how much can you expect? It is 12 है ना. So is there a possibility of getting 13? Not at all possible. Okay, so possibility of getting a number 13 क्या event है ये? This is impossible event. Right? Yes, because the maximum sum which you can get is 12. So getting a number 13 is impossible. So the probability is 0. So let us move on to the next one. Yes. Probability of getting, yes, Gaurav, what are you typing? I'm not able to understand. ये क्या है बेटा? Concentrate here. Okay, don't see the chats. Concentrate here on the class, right? So less than 12 or equal to 12. आप अगर हर एक सम करोगे, this is 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Every sum you take, it is less than 12, और the last sum यहाँ पे 6 और 6 combination का it is equal to 12, है ना? So all the, it's okay beta Gaurav, I just wanted you to concentrate, है ना? Otherwise you will miss this one is important. So all the sum, अगर हर एक इवेंट का, हर एक आउटकम का अगर आप सम ले लो तो ऑलवेज द सम इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 12, है ना? यहाँ पे लास्ट में इक्वल टू 12 आएगा, लेकिन हर एक बार आपको लेस देन 12 आएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द टोटल फेवरेबल आउटकम्स? टोटल ये 36 भी आपको फेवरेबल है ना? यहाँ पे it is less than or equal to 12, you will get always less than 12 or the last answer is equal to 12. So total favorable are 36. Now let me write the probability of this. Probability of getting less than or equal to 12. Okay, so what is the probability? It is nothing but favorable is 36 divided by total is 36. So probability is 1. Very good. Amazing. Chalo. So yes, this is geometry wala question. Okay, so simple sa. Jesse, a missing helicopter is reported to be crashed somewhere in the rectangular region. Okay, somewhere here in the rectangular region. Wait, I'll show you. Yes, somewhere here in the rectangular region. Okay, in this entire rectangular region, somewhere the helicopter is crashed. So, what is the probability that it is crashed inside this lake? ये lake के अंदर crash होने का probability क्या है? So, how will you get that? So, the total possible outcome is this one, beta. The total possible outcome is this. Okay, the entire rectangular region is the possible outcome. इसमें से आपको क्या चाहिए? आपका favorable outcome क्या है? आपको lake में what is the probability that it crashed in the lake? Okay, so this is the favorable outcome. Okay, this entire thing is the total possible outcome and this is the favorable outcome. I hope you understood this. Yes. हाँ बेटा, टेक्स्ट बुक का ही क्वेश्चंस है. ओके, आर एस अग्रवाल का थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस ले ली, टेक्स्ट बुक का थोड़ा क्वेश्चंस ले ली. आई टोल्ड यू ऑल द मॉडल्स आई एम कवरिंग फाइनली. ओके, यस, सिंपल एंड इजी. चलो, सो total possible outcomes are how many? Yes, if you learn these models, there is no other model. I promise you, there is no other model other than this. Okay, chalo kar lo. So total possible is how much? It is nothing but this area of rectangle. Okay, it is nothing but area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? So see, length is 9 and breadth is 4.5. है ना? So length into breadth, so it is 9 into 4.5. Tell me the answer what you are getting. Okay, 40.5. Okay, now favorable outcome क्या है हमारा? Favorable ये lake में है. Okay, so lake का what is this length? Can anyone tell me? So this entire length is 9. This entire length is 9. This complete length is 9. Okay, and till here it is 6. So this will be 9 minus 6, which is 3. Okay, this complete thing is 9 and this is 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Now this complete thing, this complete breadth you have 4.5. Okay, now this is 2. So this one will be 2.5. Clear? So area of lake. So favorable outcome is nothing but area of lake. How much are you getting? So length into breadth, यहाँ पे length 3 है, breadth 2.5 है. Yes, it is 7.5. Okay, so probability that it is in the lake is how much? Favorable is 7.5 divided by total is 40.5. Simple. Yes? Come on, next question. Yes. So suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region. Okay, you are dropping a die at random on the rectangular region. Okay, this is the possible outcome. यहाँ पे आप डाई ड्रॉप कर रहे हो तो ये सब पूरा एरिया आपका पॉसिबल आउटकम है. सो यू वांट व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट विल लैंड इनसाइड द सर्कल. ये सर्कल के अंदर लैंड होने का प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, दिस इज योर फेवरेबल. द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल इज योर फेवरेबल. द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज योर पॉसिबल. क्लियर? सो लेट मी राइट इट हियर. सो आपका टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम क्या है? इट इज नथिंग बट द एरिया ऑफ, yes, area of rectangle will be your possible outcome. Okay, so area of rectangle is 3 into 2. Simple. So this is 6 meters square. Okay, now you want the probability of landing inside the circle. Okay, so your favorable outcome is the circle area. Circle ka diameter is 1 meter. Okay, diameter is 1 meter. What is the radius beta? It is 1 by 2. Radius is 1 by 2. Okay, so favorable outcome is nothing but pi r square, area of a square. I'll write it here. So area of a square is the favorable outcome. Okay, यहाँ पे pi r मतलब r is 1 by 2 or you can take it as 0.5 as you wish. Okay, so it is pi by 4. Yes. Yeah, Shravya, I'm getting the answers little late. Okay, not a problem, beta. So my video will be first and then you will get it after 30 seconds. Okay, yes. So now probability of it landing in the circle is nothing but favorable by total. Okay, this is the probability. Chalo, I hope now all these are clear for you. Yes. 1 upon 2 CP NC India. No beta, just see. So, okay. So, let me see, are there any other model questions left? 1 second. Yes, it is pi upon 4. Right. Are there any other model questions which are left? I covered die, coins, geometrical questions. Okay. And combination of dice, combination of coins, 2, 3 dice clear. Yes. Yes. So, yes. Yes, correct, Shreya, correct. Yes, so there is no other model question which you can get from here. So in 1 hour, within exactly now it is 11:59. So within 1 hour we completed this chapter. Okay. Yes, the probability is pi upon 24. Chalo. So yeah. So within 1 hour we completed this chapter probability successfully with all the model problems. All model problems I covered. Right, beta? So tomorrow we are going to have a session on any doubts in this? Yes. You practice once better. There is no other model which I missed. So tomorrow we have a session on quadratic equation, the same time 11 a.m. Okay. So I will, yes, chapter is clear. Tomorrow I'll help you out to clear quadratic equations. Okay. I'll tell you the concept first 15 to 20 minutes in this way, and then all the model problems I'll cover. Okay. Quadratic equation. Right. Yes, Saif. Bola beta. And Unacademy Championship beta, this is very important. So if you have not enrolled it, do enroll. The exam is on Jan 10th. Okay. So you can trigonometry is day after tomorrow beta. Okay. So yeah, tomorrow we have 11 a.m. quadratic and trigo is day after tomorrow, Monday. Chalo. Menti, I am not planning for Menti beta because I want you all to clear your concepts first. Okay. Agar Menti hai to it is like question answer. So those who know the concept will do it. Those who don't know will be at loss. So I just want to complete these sessions first, revision wala sessions. Then we'll go on to Menti. Right beta? I hope you understand. Thank you Shravya. Thank you Shreya. Thank you Saif. Hi Saif, I have seen your dedication. Thank you so much. All the new students, don't forget to follow me. I am on Unacademy, so you can search my profile Gujjeti Divya. Okay. So today 4:30 I have a marathon class 4:30 to 6:30. So small information about this. Share it with all your friends. 4:30 to 6:30 marathon on Unacademy free class. Okay. I will discuss triangles chapter. These two are very big chapters which I have taken, triangles and linear equations, but I'll try to complete the important theorem and important problems in this. Okay. Yes. And iska register kar lo. You can join my Telegram channel. Link is there. So you will know where are you standing. Kitna pade ho, kitna padna hai, you will know. Right. And every day live quizzes are happening in Unacademy. You can download the app from the Play Store, log in, select your goal as CBSE, and you will see an option test. Okay, below niche test ka option rahega. So you can take number of tests better. You can join the quiz. So you can see educator. Every educator will give you a code. You can enter the code and you can join the test. Yes, and you can use my referral code GDLIVE to get a 10% discount on your subscriptions. Now, what are subscriptions? So, if you take subscriptions, you will get live classes, quizzes, doubt clearing session, practice session, test series. As you're very close to your board exams, it is really important for you to study more and more. है ना? हाँ, 4:30 definitely be there for the session beta. So, and share it with all your friends also. Let's have an amazing session. Okay, so I suggest you to take 3-month subscription plan. Better 3-month ka plan hai, so it will be around 1500 per month. Only 1500 if you apply my code GDLIVE. Do apply my code GDLIVE, you'll get a 10% discount and you'll have around 1500 per month. Right? Yes. What is it, Saif? Okay, so yes, these are the different quizzes which are happening. Okay, so you can join the quizzes, all are free, right? So, and many batches are coming up, so you can join all the batches. And I hope you had an amazing session. Tell me, did you have an amazing session? So, I'll meet you all tomorrow with quadratic equations and day after with trigonometry, right? So, I hope this was helpful for you. 4:30, I have a session on Unacademy special class, free class. Do join there also, right? So I will see you all there at 4:30 session. Okay, so bye bye.